The following segment is sponsored by Kneaders Bakery and Cafe. This holiday season, Kneaders Bakery and Cafe, they're serving up way more than just sweet treats. They're serving great stuff to our community. Tami's here to tell us all about it. Kneaders is the place you got to go this season. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having us. We're so excited to be here, and we love taking care of our customers. So any way that we can help, we want to do it.
You're the best in the biz, and during this holiday season, it is the place to go, absolutely. How are you helping serve folks in our community?
Okay, so this week especially, Thanksgiving's coming up. Today and tomorrow are the last 2 days that you can pre-order our pies for Wednesday. But if you didn't do it, and you're last minute.
You're looking at me like I'm that dad, and I totally am.
Yeah. So you can come into any of our locations, and we will see what we can do to help you out. But today and tomorrow, pre-order Kneaders.com, Kneaders app, anywhere, and we have.
They're going fast.
Yes, we have great pies: pumpkin pie, raspberry cream pie, banana cream, coconut cream, and chocolate cream.
Well,
all
3 of those, thank goodness to my wife. She's already got that ordered.
Good,
she went to Kneaders.com. She already ordered, so we got the raspberry cream. This is unbelievable. This one right here, my kids devour it. So they might even start with that before the turkey. I'm not even kidding.
Our most popular by far. And then, of course, we have our soft rolls and our orange rolls.
Orange rolls, you can't forget about those for sure. Yeah. And of course, pumpkin bread, it's the staple.
Oh,
you can take a bottle of wine, but I promise you, the pumpkin bread goes a lot farther. It's amazing.
Exactly. And then we also have croutons if you're making stuffing at home. Pre-order our croutons, and the stuffing that it makes,
the good carbs
you want. So good. Yes,
it's so worth it. It is
so
worth it. Save up for this moment. But tomorrow night, you got to pre-order by tomorrow night.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Yep. And
Tons
we'll
of pies to choose from, and then you also have lots of gifting ideas as you get into the season. Nothing better than walking in with a Kneaders gift basket.
Absolutely.
Tell me what specials you got going on.
Okay. So first off, just to show you a little bit, this is our fancy wrap sweetbreads, and this would be a great hostess gift to take to Thanksgiving. If you're going somewhere, pick this up. We'll wrap it for you. We'll put some Thanksgiving ribbons on it.
So you can take what's already there, the pumpkin bread, and you can fancy it up.
Absolutely.
Oh, cool.
So it looks beautiful, it's special, it's awesome, and it's only $2.50 on top of the price of the bread.
And it looks like $1 million.
Yeah,
Tastes
it's
even better.
Fun.
Then you can go to the website, and you can also put custom baskets together.
Absolutely.
Or if it's the last minute dad gift, you got to get in there and get a bunch.
You got to just get it.
You have a bunch right there in the store you can get.
Absolutely. Yep, you can pre-order. We have a bunch of different baskets. Here today we have all of our gift baskets here are under $60. We have pretty affordable pricing, ranging from the fancy bread, which is about $8.50, up to baskets that are about $150.
From the big gifts to the little sweet treats.
Abby and Ellie's.
And it's a family shop for sure. This is all based on your kids and everything. It is so awesome from the top down. And as you go in, as you want to put these baskets together, you customize it, and the fancy wrap is just $2.50?
It's $2.50 on top of the price of whatever item you get. So if you're getting a loaf of bread, it's the cost of the loaf of bread on top of, and then $2.50 on top of that.
You got a deal. It's the 10-10-10. Tell us about that really quick.
10-10-10. Okay, so you buy 10 gift baskets before the 10th of December. Pick them up before the 10th of December, and you get 10% off.
10-10-10 before the 10th of December. This is the one-stop shop. Kneaders is the best in the biz. Go to Kneaders.com for all this information. Tami, you're awesome. Keep up the great work.
Thanks.